Would I be the asshole if I didn't buy a new engagement ring? For 5 years now, I, male 26, have been in love with the love of my life, female 25. I cannot express how much I love her and how important she is to me. Oh my gosh! I knew I wanted to marry her shortly after getting together. We're finally financially stable enough, so I decided now is the time. In 2020, my girlfriend lost her grandmother. They were super close and it hit my girlfriend hard, especially because she couldn't have a last goodbye in the hospital due to COVID restrictions. In early 2021, my girlfriend helped her sister move houses. She was wearing a ring her grandmother gave her before she passed and lost it while carrying boxes. This had hit her even more, and even now she will still sometimes cry about this because she feels like she lost the last memory of her grandmother. We had looked for the ring but hadn't found it. On Christmas, my girlfriend had cried again because she missed her grandmother and laminated the loss of the ring. This gave me an idea. She spent the weekend of New Year's Eve with a friend, so I contacted her sister and asked if I could search her house once again for the ring. When I mentioned that I want to use the ring to propose, she was super excited. She, her husband, and my girlfriend's mother, who loved the idea as well, helped me and eventually found the ring between some boxes in her garage. Oh my god, yay! I love this idea. That's actually super fucking sentimental and sweet. What the heck? I'm planning on proposing on the 14th, which is the anniversary of our first date, and we always go out to do something nice then. I had mentioned it to my friends who were excited for me, but they had asked about what ring Am I wrong for announcing my pregnancy during my family's white elephant game? I, female 24, am currently pregnant. I waited to tell everyone, including my boyfriend, male 25, knowing that I would reach the second trimester just in time for Christmas. I thought it was a perfect gift, and I was relatively symptom-free. We, my parents, and my siblings, and their spouses plan to get together Christmas Eve in order to celebrate. Every year we hold a white elephant gift as a fun event for the evening. The spending minimum is $40, but I figured the reveal of the first grandchild would be a priceless gift. I wrapped and framed my first ultrasound and I hid it until the party. My boyfriend and I usually play as one person instead of two to avoid buying two $40 gifts, so I had planned to grab my own gift and open it for everyone to see. Since only 7 of us were playing, I figured my chances of getting a low number were pretty good, so I could grab the gift first. I even wrapped it ugly on purpose so that no one else would be tempted to go for it. Somehow I ended up with the worst luck and drew a 5. I started to get a little nervous but figured that even if someone else opened the gift, it would be okay. My brother-in-law Ryan, 32 male, drew a number lower than me and grabbed the present. We are not super close, but I figured once everyone saw what it was, I would just announce it. But the second he lifted the lid, he burst into tears. Oh my god, he thinks it's his wife's. I was so confused. My name was right on the ultrasound and everything, although in